guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about ground cherry. If you look at these, you know how beautifully they are growing, and you can see the fruit right here. So many of this. So there is a lot of confusion between ground cherry and pineapple tomatillo. So some people say that they are the same. Some people say that they are from the same family, but they are two different fruits. So what I have understood is that they are both from the same family. Pineapple tomatillo is little bigger than ground cherry. Ground cherry is of the size of a marble, or maybe a little bit bigger than marble, but smaller than the cherry. In India, we call it ras bhari. Ras means juice and bhari means filled. So something which is filled with juice is called ras bhari. So when these fruits are ripe, they just drop on the ground, and the husk is kind of brown at that time, and it becomes dry like paper. So you just peel it and eat the fruit. In taste, they are sweet and sour. So it's really easy to grow these ground cherries. Once you have a cherry, if you look at this one, the husk is all brown and dry, and you just take the fruit, which is like, bright orange here. So all you do is you just squash it with your fingers and put it in a planter, and it will start to grow in a few days. So here I have this planter in which I have mostly compost and some perlite and some coco peat, basically a regular potting soil mix. So I'm just going to, squash this ground cherry in here, and you can see the seed. Those tiny white things, those are the seeds. So basically, you just spread it all over in your soil. Actually, the best is that you mix it with the soil and then squash it. So then, it gets evenly distributed. But here I didn't do that. But basically, you just spread it and water it and cover it with something so that it stays moist and warm, and within few days, the seedlings will start to grow. It's been 3 weeks, and now you can see that seedlings have started to grow. It's been sitting outside, and it was covered so far. Now I'll open it so that the seedlings they grow healthy. So few more weeks have passed, and you can see that the seedlings are about an inch tall, and slugs have been eating them. You can see these. The leaves are all gone. It's just the stems left because slugs have eaten them away. So normally I let the seedlings grow a little bit bigger and then transplant them. But I'm just afraid that, slugs will eat them up. So I'm going to transplant a few of these in a separate container, and we'll see how they grow. So it's been exactly 1 week that we transplanted these plants here, and all three plants are doing well. They are in mostly shade, they get a little bit of direct sunlight, and the soil is moist, and they are standing tall and strong. Our saplings are growing very happily. They get about 2-3 hours of direct sunlight, and they are growing nicely. I forgot to mention the time of planting the seeds. The best time is in spring, after the frost time is over. You can plant them outside and they'll start to grow. So it's been a couple of months that we transplanted our saplings here. I removed the two saplings and just kept one because they were all growing well. They are about a foot tall now, and look at this. They have started to grow the cherries here. Either this is fruit or this is a flower bud. We'll know. We'll have to just wait and see. So 2 more weeks have passed, and if you look at this plant, it is about 2 feet tall. And look at this. The fruits have started to grow. So many of these are growing. And there are some more flowers coming on the top. Here, look at this flower. 4 weeks have passed, and if you look at these, they have started to turn brown. And I noticed that, some of them have started dropping. So let me just pick one and show you how it looks like. It's completely dry. It just feels like dry paper. And look at this beautiful, shining um, ground cherry. It looks so amazing. I ate one earlier. It was sweet and sour, but that's the way I like it. But this is ready. So basically, it is pretty straightforward. You grow these from seeds from the cherry itself and just keep it in partial sun. It requires a lot of water, and just give it good rich soil, and it will happily keep growing like this. Once the cherries are ripe, they'll just drop. You can pick them up, eat them up, and the plant will keep on growing. And most probably next season you won't have to start yourself again, because some of the cherries would have been left in this container or on the ground, and they'll just start to grow, and it will be really difficult for you to get rid of them. But I think that is a good problem to have. I love these ground cherries. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.